Hi, in this video we're going to see how to convert a Python program into a exe file. First, open the command prompt and type this command install PyInstaller. PyInstaller is the package that we are going to use to convert the Python program to exe. These steps illustrated in this video will work in Windows 10 program. So open the command prompt and type the command pip install PyInstaller if it is not already present in your system. Uh, Actually, I have already installed this, so it's giving a message like this. If it's not installed in your machine, it will download the package and install it. Now the first step is over. Now go to the folder which has the Python program. And and then shift plus right click on the folder. It will show an option to open PowerShell window. Let's see, here I'm pressing the shift key and then right click. So here you can see open PowerShell window. Click on this and then type the next command. And replace this name with the actual program name. In my case, the program name is test.py. So I'm typing test and then py. Now you can see in this folder there are no other subfolders or any files present. It's only the program. Now this PyInstaller will create a few folders. When I copy pasted the command, there were two errors. One is the single quote. Instead of single quote, it was a different one in the command, and then instead of hyphen, it was a hyphen. It was a separate character. So actually, the command is PyInstaller space hyphen hyphen one file and then space and then your program name. So this will execute, and once you get the successful message, you can go to the folder. As you can see, there are multiple files and the folders got created out of this. The distribution dist folder will have the exe file. Now I'm going to show you what this program does. So this is the test program. This will convert the date into this format. I'm going to run this program. Okay, so normal date is converted into DD YY format. Now I'm going to run the program that's created by PyInstaller. I'm going to double click. Now you can see the same output is getting displayed. So there is one important point here. At the end of the program, I have added this command time sleep 10. It is better to add this because once the results get displayed, the window will get closed. The console command prompt window will get closed. If you add this command, it will wait for a few seconds and then close, so you can increase the seconds as per your requirement. So that's it. For more information, you can visit officetricks.com to get how this how any Python program can be converted to exe file. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.